Sana all, titigan at sweetness ni Janine at Jericho umani ng kilig factor sa mga netizens. Hindi na nga matatawaran ang pagmamahalan at kilig factor meron ang lovely couple na sina Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales. Masaya ngang nagbakasyon ang mag-sweetheart sa La Union kasama ang kapatid ng actress na sina Jessica at Max Gutierrez na tila nag-enjoy din sa naturang lugar. Samantala, umani naman ang kilig komento ang naging titigan ni Nini at Echo habang sila ay nasa swimming pool at todo nga ang lambingan na naganap sa dalawa. Sana one day, maturuan din po si Miss Janine mag-surf ni Echo. Nakita ko sa vlog niya with her lola. She likes to surf before and become a Roxy girl. I can imagine the couple surfing and both stunning. Mr. Rosales, you are the luckiest man in the world. True yan. Wow, kilig naman ako. Enjoy. Wow, so cute ang Econin. Destiny. Kayo na talaga ang forever Econin. Sana magpakasal na kayo next year para may baby na. Irish at baby Tyrone na kayo. Love it. Please Echo, last mo na to. At ewan ko na lang sa'yo, pakawalan mo pa yan. Wow, happy ako to see na magkasama ang Econin. Sweet naman. Lovely couple, forever na yan ha. We love you both mga idol. So good together sana. Kayo na. Bagay na bagay talaga. OMG, kilig match. Janine became a better man. Janine Gutierrez. Enjoy guys. Love, love, love Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales. Official. Serenity in every pixel. Sige na nga. Magsabi na ng so sweet. Sweet couple. Mag-propose ka na Echo para magka-baby na kayo ni Janine. Nice couple. Enjoy. Enjoy and have fun. Janine Gutierrez and Echo. Wow, so sweet naman yan. Love you both, Econin. I am so happy seeing you. Very nice. Enjoy. Spending quality time with each other. Enjoy idols. You both look happy together. Love you. Hashtag Econin forever. Yung titig ni Echo, grabe, nakakatunaw. Love, love, love this. Hopefully not a gimmick for a movie like ARNKB. It's really more of our business. Just don't want to be caught in that kind of marketing strategy. The love words Econin. I am so kilig to the max. Econin, lovely couple. Love this. Enjoy and have fun being together. Love you both. Lovely couple, Econin. Good looking couple. Perfect couple. I love this couple. Enjoy lovebirds. Beautiful view. I super love this couple. Econin so sweet. Lovebirds are in the air. My favorite couple. Enjoy the kiss and recovery. Have fun po. Not getting any younger. So sweet. Sweet couple. Enjoy. O diba? Halos lahat ay iisa ang sinasabi ng mga netizens na tila na kilig sa lovebirds na sina Echo at Janine. Kaya so happy sila na makita na napaka-sweet nila together. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.